If you want to save some money, if you have the time and the inclination to do the job, if you want to be in direct control of your cost trades, your quality trades, of your schedule, then you need to act as your own GC, your own general contractor. And if you're going to be your own general contractor, I would say if you haven't done construction before, if that's not your business, you got to get somebody who does it as their business and can advise you. And that's why I called HomeWrights.